All right, so I wanted to update you guys on a few things we had going on. I haven't been giving a lot of updates, been really busy with my new job, but kind of give you guys an update on the 2003 Cobra. We've got these brand new, really badass American racing headers. We've unboxed. They've just been sitting here long enough now. They have cobwebs on them, as you can see. But we're gonna get those bad boys put on this really nice Henson Racing built 03 Cobra motor that features a 2.9 Whipple supercharger. We ended up going with a Tekskit aluminum block, drag racing Moroso pan, forged, nice, complete, manly rotating assembly, rods, pistons, brand new crankshaft, fully done heads with all their valve train with some really gangster custom Brian Crowler blower cams for the 2.9 Whipple. We got all this amazing stuff down here from UPR. We got the motor mounts and the pulleys, and we got a K member up there as well. So we're gonna get all that put on, as well as a full Jrods fuel system right there. I think those are my injectors, but we're gonna get that motor put in that car hopefully really soon. Just wanted to give you guys an update and kind of give you where we're at. The RX-7 is pretty much done as well. Brand new motor, brand new turbo kit, full FT600 setup with a full Jrods fuel system. That car is it runs currently. As you can see, we kind of got the dash out of it, just going through it. It's having a throttle position sensor problem right now, so we're gonna get that figured out. Typhoon hasn't really been touched. Viper, keep saying we're gonna get on starting on that. I have everything. I really hope to get started on that soon. Super's just got the new Jrods triple 810 liter per hour brushless pumps. That car is gonna be unbelievable with that. Jay's got the motor for the Evo, getting it completely refreshed with all the best stuff from Manly and Brian Crowler. We have the motor for the 99 VR4 actually currently on the stand. Shout out to Bobby, the guy I hired full time. He had never touched a VR4 until he came to work for me, and now he's got his hands full. But we've got a fully built Brian Crowler short block for this thing. The billet stroker crankshaft. It's got their rods that they feature in that setup, as well as custom pistons. Full Brian Crowler valve train, full Brian Crowler camshafts. And then I've got an old school IPS TD05 turbo kit that features some old school Evo 3 16Gs that we're gonna get put on this motor just to get it running, to get back in the 99. And then eventually I'll probably get some FP turbos. And then for those that haven't really seen, that's the motor that came out of the car from when it decided to let go. So a lot going on here, and I just wanted to get on here tonight and kind of update you guys. Hopefully we'll be getting some content going on our channel. I just got so much stuff going on, but just wanted to give you guys an update. Thanks.